In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start making hundreds of dollars a day with CPA marketing. And I'm going to show you how to do this even if you are a complete beginner. As you can see right here, this is Cpagrip.com, but you can use any other CPA network of your choice. It doesn't really matter. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can enroll and start earning passive income daily with CPA marketing. The first thing you want to do is to come over to this platform, proprofs.com. Okay, so once you come over to this platform, what you are going to be doing is very simple. We are going to be creating a quiz where people are going to submit their email and we make money. All right, so what you want to do once you come over to this platform, you want to head over to the product section, and don't worry, you are not paying a dime. You are not investing any money upfront. It's completely free. Okay, so once you come over to this platform, you want to click on this section that says take a quiz. So once you click on that, you're going to see this platform allows you to create quizzes that you can send to people to get their opinion on whatever topic or niche you're working with. Okay, so once you come over to this page, as you can see, if you over to this section that says take quizzes, you can see these are various niches where you can create quizzes from, and you can get response from people who are interested in these niches. And also, if you need more ideas of niches to work with, these are some niches that I've provided to you on this page. You can just pause this video from here and you can use any of the niches on this page. So once you've chosen a niche you want to work with, I'm going to be taking weight loss as an example so as to make this simple for you to follow. All right, so once you've chosen your niche, you want to come over to the search section. You want to type in your niche keyword. Like I said, I'm going to be taking weight loss. So once you type in the keyword in there, you want to click on search. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, these are quizzes that have been created by people on this platform where they get people who are interested in these niches to answer these quizzes. All right, as you can see, this particular quiz right here, the one on the top, as you can see, top trending quizzes. And if it's on the top, it means a lot of people are interested in this quiz. And as you can see, number of attempts right here, over 2,000 people have attempted this quiz, and this tells you that there are a lot of people who are interested in this niche, and that's a very big opportunity for you to make money as an affiliate. All right, so if I scroll down, you are going to see more quizzes. You can see this one, 600 people have attempted this one. You can see this one, over 1,000 people have attempted this quiz. Once you choose your niche, you want to make sure you choose one of these top trending quizzes. So I'm going to take the first one here as an example. All you need to do is to click on this link right here and it's going to open this quiz. So once you do that, as you can see, this quiz has 8 questions. All right, so if I scroll down, I'm going to see all the questions. You can see this is the first question right here. You can see this is the second question, the third question, and down to the last question, as you can see right here. The next step is to go over to docs.google.com/forms. Okay, so once you do that, you want to make sure to click on this blank template. The next thing you want to do is to come over to the settings section. And once you come over to the settings section, you want to scroll down to where it says default. So once you come over to this section, you want to change this, do not collect email addresses. You want to change this to responder input. This means people need to type in their email addresses. All right, so now the next step is to click on this second question, and you want to click on make questions required by default. All right, so once you do this, then you want to go back to questions to create your quiz. All right, so now what you want to do is to come back to this page and you want to basically just paste the same quiz on this page. All right, so as you can see right here, this is the title of this quiz, how to lose weight. So you want to go back to this page and you want to copy the first question, which is this one. Why do you want to diet? So once you click on that, you want to paste in that question right here. So now once you type in this first question, you want to make sure to come over to this page where it says paragraph, and you want to change this to multiple choice. All right, so once you do that, this will enable you add options just like on this page. All right, so now you want to add all these options right here. So as you can see right here, I have added some of those questions to this form so as not to prolong this video. And if you want to add more questions, all you need to do is to click on this plus button and you can add as many questions as you want. So once they enter their email address right here, if you come over to the response section, you are going to see the list of people who completed this quiz. This would help you build email list in this niche, and this means you can send them offers from time to time and you can keep making money from this list in a long term. So once you do that, you are completely done. Another thing you can do, you can add images just like the one on this page. As you can see, the questions have images in them. You can do that as well right here. If you click on this image icon, you can see you can upload image, but we are not going to be doing that in this video. So once everything is done and everything looks good, all you need to do is to click on send, and you want to scroll to this section. As you can see, this is going to give you a link where you can share with people to complete this quiz, and you want to make sure to select the shorten URL option. Once you do this, as you can see, the link is going to look shorter and neater. All you need to do from here is to copy this link, and if I paste the link in a new tab, something like this, as you can see, it's going to bring me to this page. People don't need to sign into their Gmail address to complete this quiz. They can basically type in their email right here. All right, so if I type in my email address right here and I select any of this answer right here, okay, so it doesn't matter if it's correct or wrong, and I click on submit. As you can see right here, your response has been recorded. So if I come back to this page and I go to where it says response, all right, so if I come over here, as you can see, this is the email address right here. So this is a very powerful strategy, as if you have just 1,000 people on your email list in this niche alone, you can make money from them over time. All right. So now once everything is working and everything looks good, the final step is driving traffic and making money. So now you want to go over to Quora.com. This is one of the best platforms to get traffic because a lot of people coming over to this platform are seeking for answers. All right. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on spaces. So once you click on that, you will be able to create a space in whatever niche you're working with. Since we are working with the weight loss niche, you want to create a space in that weight loss niche. And for those who don't know what a space is on Quora, it's just like a Facebook group where people who are interested in certain topic come together and they discuss about that niche. As you can see, these are other spaces right here. So if I take this one here as an example, as you can see, it has over 1.2 million followers in this space alone. You can see these spaces are getting a lot of followers. If I take this one here as an example again, you can see this one has over 100,000 members in this group. All right, so this is a very powerful way of getting traffic on Quora. Okay, so now moving on, you want to create a space, and all you need to do is to click on this create a space. So once you create a space, you want to give the space a name that resonates with the niche. All right, so I'm taking this as an example, and here you want to click on create. And now, as you can see, in less than 10 seconds, I've created a space on Quora. And once you do that, you want to definitely add images that resonate with this niche. You can go over to pexels.com to get free images that you can use. So once you create your space, you've added image to your space. The next step is adding content to your space. So to create your first post on Quora, you want to head over to Google and you want to type in how to lose weight fast. And like I said, this is going to depend on the niche you're working with. And if you even scroll down to the bottom of this page, you are going to see more keywords that you can target as well. So I'm going to take this post here as an example. So if you click on this post, all you need to do from here is to copy this content. So once you do that, the next step is to paste in the content from that website. And now you want to make sure, and I repeat, you give credit to the owner of the original content, just like I've done right here. You want to type in source at the bottom, and you want to make sure to paste in the link where you copied the content from. All right, this is very important that you do this step. So now once you've done this, you want to go over to freeplrdownloads.com. So once you do that, you want to type in weight loss in the search section. You are going to see free ebooks that you can download for absolutely free and give away for free without copyright issues. You can see this one right here, 100 weight loss tips. Okay, so you can click on this. So once you click on the ebook, you can see right here, you can download it for free. So once you've downloaded this file, you want to upload it to any file sharing platform of your choice, be it Dropbox, Google Drive, Mediafire, or you can use easyupload.io. So once you've uploaded it to any file sharing platform of your choice, you want to then create a content locker using any CPA platform of your choice. So you want to click on create new URL file locker, and you want to agree to terms of service. So once you do that, this is where you can select any template of your choice to create a content locker. Okay, so once you come over here, you want to make sure to come to the logged URL section, and this is where you want to paste a link to where you uploaded the free PLR ebook. So once you paste in the link like this, so once you created your locker, all you just need to do is to click on save. So once you've created your content locker and everything looks good, this is where you want to share the form you created on Google. So you want to come over and you want to type in something simple like this. Take this quiz to assess your weight loss journey. And you want to highlight this and you want to give this a bold. All right. And you want to click on this URL section. And this is where you want to paste in the URL to this quiz. So once you do that, all you need to do is to post this, as you can see right here. So once people come over to your Quora space, as you can see, this space is already getting views on Quora already. So as you can see right here, all they need to do is to click on this link. And once they do that, it's going to bring them to this quiz. And once they answer this question, you're going to get their email addresses. So once you get the email addresses, all you need to do is to send them an email containing your content locker link, where they can get this ebook for free, but they have to complete CPA offers. All right. So this is a very simple strategy that you can use to start making money with CPA marketing. And if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And make sure to check the 2 videos on your screen right now for more ways to earn money online. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.